If you need to cancel a pending transaction with Bank of America, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Bank of America online banking account by visiting their website or using the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log in. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, locate the section for Transactions or Account Activity. This is typically found on the main dashboard or under the Accounts tab. Step 3. Identify the pending transaction. Look for the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Pending transactions are usually marked clearly, so find the specific one that needs to be addressed. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on the pending transaction to view more details. This will provide you with options related to that specific transaction. Step 5. Initiate the cancellation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After following these steps, check your account to confirm that the transaction has been successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, reaching out to Bank of America's customer service can provide additional support.